In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate shapes in PowerPoint 2025 for Windows. Whether you're designing a presentation or simply tidying up your slides, knowing how to efficiently duplicate shapes can be a real time saver. Let's dive right into our three easy methods. Our first method is the quickest and simplest, using a keyboard shortcut. Begin by selecting the shape you wish to duplicate. To do this, click on the shape directly. You'll see selection handles appear around it once it's highlighted. Now press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard. Instantly you'll notice a new duplicate of the original shape appearing on your slide, placed slightly offset for easy visibility and access. This method is ideal when you need a quick duplicate and don't want to interrupt your workflow. Moving on, let's discuss the more familiar method of copy and paste. Once again, start by clicking to select the shape you want to duplicate. With your shape selected, press Ctrl plus C to copy it. This action places the shape onto your clipboard, ready to paste anywhere you'd like. Now press Ctrl plus V and you'll see your shape appear on the slide. One thing to note is that using copy and paste gives you flexibility because you can paste the shape onto the same slide or transfer it to any other slide or even a different presentation. Once pasted, click on and drag the new shape into your desired position on the slide, allowing you to customize your layout with ease. Our final method involves using a combination of the mouse and keyboard for duplication, a trick that some find more intuitive. Start by selecting the shape you aim to duplicate. Next, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While keeping the Control key pressed, click on your shape, then drag it to the position where you want the duplicate to appear. It's important to release the mouse button first before letting go of the Control key. This ensures that the duplicate is properly created. This approach is especially beneficial when you want precise control over the placement of your duplicated shapes, as it allows for seamless positioning as you copy. So there you have it. 3 effective ways to duplicate shapes quickly and easily in PowerPoint 2025. Choose the method that best suits your workflow and needs. Whether you prefer the speed of keyboard shortcuts, the familiarity of copy and paste, or the precision of control dragging, each method empowers you to manage your slide design more efficiently. Let these techniques enhance your PowerPoint skills and take your presentations to a new level of professionalism. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.